Today, 30th of August 2023, we are monitoring this bed, palm bed. The palm bed started building their home yesterday, the 29th, and I'm surprised that by the 30th, at this particular time on the timestamp, they had already gone that far. I will continue to take this video every 6 hours so that we can monitor and see how far the single bed can build its home. So today again is the 31st of August 2023. It's 3:35 p.m. This is in reference to the video yesterday where the palm bird was started building its home. There were two homes, the first at the top and the last at the bottom. The one in the center is the job that the palm bird was doing alone. This is to show, we have to assess this after this completion. I think by this time tomorrow, which I'll take another video, we see how a single bird, its dedication, its commitment has brought this house to completion within how many days. We'll go back. So you will see the timestamp again, 1st September. The one-man soldier has been busy. This shows the meaning of determination. When you determine, there's nothing you are not going to achieve. Today is the third day, and this is very early in the morning. This is how far the guy has gone. Let's check to see what he will be doing if he's going to complete this job at this evening. 2nd September. The one-man soldier is there. What if we all were committed to whatever we wanted to achieve in this same fashion? Could be studies, could be business, could be family. What do you think will happen? This is how far the guy has gone at this point in time. That is him. Almost done. Almost done. I'll go back. Today, number 4 day of September. The palm bird's home is done. This again is an indication and proof that hard work, dedication in whatever you do guarantees success. Done.